Welcome to a world where ordinary items transform into extraordinary gardening tools. Today, we're stepping off the well-trodden path of traditional gardening and venturing into the unexpected, the unconventional, the truly ingenious. Get ready to unlock the secrets of a thriving garden with simple, everyday items you might even toss in the trash. From revitalizing your soil with kitchen scraps to mastering water-wise techniques, these surprising hacks will change the way you think about gardening. So grab your gardening gloves and a curious mind as we delve into a world of innovative solutions that will leave you wondering, why haven't I tried this before? Let's talk about a little secret weapon for strong, healthy plants, eggshells. Those seemingly insignificant shells are a powerhouse of calcium, promoting robust root development and overall plant vigor. Before you toss those shells in the compost, give them a good rinse to remove any lingering egg white. Crush the shells into smaller pieces using a rolling pin, your hands, or a food processor. Sprinkle a handful of crushed eggshells around the base of your tomatoes, peppers, and other fruiting plants to prevent blossom end rot. They also help improve soil drainage and aeration, creating an ideal environment for roots to thrive. Coffee lovers, rejoice! Your morning cup of joe can do wonders for your garden too. Used coffee grounds are a treasure trove of nutrients that can fuel your plant's growth and enhance the overall health of your soil. Rich in nitrogen, coffee grounds act as a natural fertilizer, giving your plants the boost they need to flourish. Coffee grounds also improve soil structure, making it more porous and allowing for better water retention and drainage. After brewing your morning coffee, spread the used grounds thinly on a tray or newspaper to dry out completely. Once dry, you can incorporate the coffee grounds into your soil by sprinkling a thin layer around the base of your plants. Coffee grounds are particularly beneficial for acid-loving plants like blueberries, azaleas, and rhododendrons. So the next time you brew a pot of coffee, remember that you're not just making a delicious beverage. You're also creating gardening gold. I'm sure you've heard whispers of banana peels working magic in the garden, and let me assure you, it's not just a whimsical gardening myth. These often discarded peels are a treasure trove of potassium, a vital nutrient that plays a crucial role in flower and fruit production. One simple method is to chop the peels into smaller pieces and bury them a few inches deep in the soil around your plants. As the peels decompose, they release potassium and other vital nutrients directly to the roots. For a more potent potassium boost, try making banana peel tea by chopping up a few banana peels, placing them in a gallon of water, and letting them steep for a few days. This nutrient-rich concoction can then be used to water your plants, providing them with a quick and easy dose of potassium and other essential minerals. Roses, tomatoes, peppers, and even houseplants will show their appreciation for this potassium-rich treat with lush growth and bountiful harvests. So the next time you enjoy a banana, remember that the peel is not destined for the trash bin. Embrace the unconventional and watch your garden flourish. Now, let's talk about a topic that's close to every gardener's heart: watering. One efficient and water-wise technique is drip irrigation, delivering water directly to the roots of your plants, minimizing evaporation, and ensuring optimal hydration. This targeted approach not only conserves water, but also reduces the risk of fungal diseases often associated with overhead watering. Another ingenious technique is rainwater harvesting. Instead of letting precious rainwater run off your roof and into the drains, capture it for your garden with rain barrels. Rainwater is naturally soft and free of chlorine and other chemicals often found in tap water, making it an ideal choice for your garden. Implementing these unconventional watering techniques might require a bit of initial investment, but the long-term benefits far outweigh the costs. You'll save water, reduce your environmental footprint, and provide your plants with the optimal hydration they need to thrive. As we've explored the world of unconventional gardening hacks, it's clear that some of the most effective solutions lie in the simplest of things. From repurposing kitchen scraps to embracing innovative watering techniques, we've discovered that a thriving garden doesn't require expensive products or complicated methods. Remember the power of eggshells, those tiny calcium powerhouses that strengthen plant cells and prevent blossom end rot. And let's not forget the magic of coffee grounds, enriching the soil with nitrogen and providing a welcome boost to acid-loving plants. Embrace the unexpected with banana peels, those potassium-rich wonders that fuel flower and fruit production, rewarding you with bountiful harvests. And as you navigate the world of watering, consider the wisdom of drip irrigation and rainwater harvesting, conserving water and nurturing your plants with targeted hydration. These unconventional hacks, often overlooked or dismissed as old wives' tales, have proven their worth time and again. So go ahead and experiment with these unusual yet effective techniques. Embrace the joy of discovery and watch as your garden flourishes with newfound vigor. Gardening is a journey of learning, experimenting, and yes, even a little bit of magic. Don't be afraid to try these unconventional hacks. You might be surprised at the results. Remember, a thriving garden is a testament to your care, your creativity, and your willingness to embrace the unexpected. Now it's your turn to share. Have you tried any of these gardening hacks before? What are some of your favorite unconventional gardening tips? Leave a comment below and let's continue this conversation. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more gardening inspiration, tips, and tricks. Happy gardening, everyone!